Hi, Roger Runyon here with CDC Pools. Brought John Watt in with me today to give some technical data on some of the equipment we're going to be showing you today.
This pool, we've evaluated the pool in this scenario. We figure it to be about 12,000 gallons. The average residential play pool in Arizona is between 12 and 15,000 gallons. What we're going to determine here is the status of this pool as far as the pumping and filtration, and find some areas where we can save some money. Because in a case like this, there are some tremendous dollars to be saved with newer technology being applied. The next step in evaluating the system is determining the energy draw of the current pump. In this case, we're at 2,000 watts or 2 kilowatts, 1,000 watt equaling a kilowatt. We're drawing 2,000 watts right here at 11 cents, which we'll use that as our average cost per kilowatt. We're looking at about 22 cents an hour to run this pump. Over the course of an 8-hour day, we're looking at a cost of about $1.76 a day to filter this pool for 8 hours. Okay, on this particular job we have a booster pump. The booster pump runs a pressure side cleaner, which works as a vacuum cleaner for the pool. This particular booster pump is drawing 1.35 kW or kilowatts. That's 1,350 watts. That brings the grand total for this job for an 8-hour period to $2.37 a day for this system to operate.
When you were with us last time, we had our old equipment set in, we had the booster pump and the old motor, and everything is done now. We've got all our new equipment, our new water-saving 520 cartridge filter, our variable speed pump from Pentair, and if you noticed, I'm talking and the pump's running right now. The last time we couldn't do that because you wouldn't be able to hear me with the old motor running. So what we've got is a highly energy efficient pump, which we're doing a post-audit that you're going to get to see the numbers on, and also a brand new filter that's really going to clean this pool and do a great job.
What they've done is they've utilized the old time clock assembly, not as time clocks anymore, but just as a junction box to cut down on the expense of the upgrade. The wires coming from this breaker right here actually go to the automation system as well as the variable speed pump. So let's go ahead and turn the variable speed pump on in the filtration mode, and let's see what it's doing. Okay, our variable speed pump just kicked on. What we're going to do here is we're going to take our watt meter and we're going to clamp onto one of the power supply wires for the variable speed pump. Take our leads, make our connections. Okay, we are currently at 340 watts. That's 0.34 kilowatts. Remember, in the past we were at 2,000 watts. That would be 2 kilowatts. The next step in this test is the cleaning mode. In the cleaning mode, prior to the equipment upgrade, we were drawing 3,400 watts of power because we were running the filtration pump as well as a booster pump that supplied extra pressure to the cleaner to clean the pool. What we've done here is we put a suction side cleaner on there, and through the use of the SunTouch automation system, we're going to rotate a valve on the suction side of the pump, which will actually turn the cleaner on when it needs to run and shut it off once the pool is clean. So let's go ahead and do that. What you're going to notice is the pump actually slows down in RPMs. It takes less water draw to run the cleaner than it does to circulate the pool. Okay, once our valve stops, we're running our suction side cleaner. It's doing its job in the pool. Let's see what kind of power draw we have. We are currently at 280 watts. That's 0.28 kilowatts. That's down from 3,400 watts, 3.4 kilowatts. Through the use of the automation system, there's no valves to manually rotate. I just turned the water feature on, and if you'll notice, the actuator on the discharge side of the filter is rotating to redirect the water from the swimming pool to the waterfall. The nice thing about this is it sends 100% of the water to the waterfall, so you only use the power you need to run the waterfall. You're not bypassing any water back to the pool. Remember, we were at 2,000 watts to run our water feature in the past because it was at standard pump. Let's see where we're at now. We are at, oops, we are at 620 watts to run our water feature. The reason it's drawing more power is the pump is running at a higher RPM.
Our new equipment install is complete. Everything's in, we've got a happy customer, our SunTouch variable speed pump, new cartridge filter. We're going to start saving some money now on our energy. Going to clean the pool great. When you see one of our CDC pool reps, you really need to consider one of these units.